Video you're looking at here is the company listings we have on this drawbar assembly for a Caterpillar 120M all-wheel drive. Everything on this drawbar assembly looks to be in pretty decent shape. I apologize for the wind in the video. This is just for the drawbar assembly itself. If you're interested in the circle assembly or the blade, both of those are listed individually. However, if you're needing the whole package, we can work out a deal with you. If we can help you out, let us know. Thanks for watching.